The welcomed next 2026 Royal Enfield 350 marks another milestone in the brand's journey of blending heritage with modern engineering. For decades, Royal Enfield has been synonymous with timeless design and soulful riding experiences, and with this latest iteration of the 350, the company has managed to refine that formula without losing its old-school charm. Today, we are going to break down what makes this bike special, from its features and performance to its design elements, pricing, and unique selling points. At first glance, the 2026 Royal Enfield 350 holds on to the classic silhouette that fans adore. The teardrop-shaped fuel tank, wide handlebars, and retro-inspired round headlamp continue to carry forward that vintage appeal. But beneath this familiar design lies a motorcycle that has been carefully modernized for today's riders. The finishing is more premium than before, with better paint quality, polished chrome accents, and improved fit and finish that reflects Royal Enfield's global ambitions. It's a motorcycle that looks simple and nostalgic, yet sophisticated enough to sit comfortably in a modern garage. Powering the 2026 Royal Enfield 350 is the same single-cylinder, air and oil-cooled engine that has been heavily re-engineered to meet the latest emissions and performance standards. It displaces around 349 cc and produces approximately 20 horsepower with 27 Nm of torque, delivered smoothly across the rev range. This engine is not about blistering top-end speed, but about accessible, usable performance. It's tuned to provide a strong mid-range, making it perfect for city rides, calm cruising, and occasional highway trips. The bike now comes with an updated fuel injection system for better throttle response and improved fuel efficiency, which is a key point for everyday riders. When it comes to ride quality, Royal Enfield has worked to make the new 350 far more refined than its older counterparts. The vibrations, which were once a trademark issue, have been significantly reduced thanks to a counterbalanced crankshaft and improved engine mounts. This means riders can now enjoy smoother performance even at higher speeds. The 5-speed gearbox has been tweaked for more precise shifts, ensuring a more seamless riding experience. The bike is capable of cruising comfortably between 90 and 100 km per hour, which is more than enough for its target audience. On the chassis front, the 2026 Royal Enfield 350 uses a double cradle frame, tuned to offer stability without compromising on comfort. Suspension duties are handled by telescopic front forks and twin rear shock absorbers with adjustable preload. This setup is ideal for Indian roads, European cobblestone streets, or even countryside cruising, as it soaks up bumps while maintaining composure. Braking has also seen a step up, with disc brakes at both ends complemented by dual-channel ABS as standard. This ensures a higher level of safety and control in all riding conditions. Royal Enfield has also embraced modern tech in subtle ways. The instrument cluster combines a traditional analog speedometer with a small digital display, offering essential readouts like fuel level, trip meters, and gear position. For 2026, the brand has refined its Tripper navigation pod, which uses smartphone connectivity to deliver turn-by-turn directions right on the handlebar. Riders also get USB charging ports, which add practicality for long journeys. Despite these upgrades, the bike retains its minimalist appeal, staying true to the essence of a Royal Enfield is simple, functional, and connected to the rider. In terms of ergonomics, the 2026 350 is extremely approachable. The low seat height of around 800 mm makes it easy for most riders to plant their feet firmly on the ground. The upright seating position, wide bars, and forward set foot pegs create a relaxed posture, reducing fatigue on longer rides. Combined with a curb weight of about 190 kilograms, the motorcycle feels manageable and confidence-inspiring, even for newer riders. Now let's talk about price. Royal Enfield has positioned the 2026 350 as an accessible yet premium product. Depending on the variant and market, the price is expected to start around 2.2 lakh Indian rupees, which translates to roughly $2,900 or 2,700 euros. This places it in a very competitive spot, offering a balance of affordability, style, and heritage appeal that few brands can match. So what are the unique selling points that make the 2026 Royal Enfield 350 stand out? Firstly, it's the brand's timeless design DNA that continues to capture the imagination of riders worldwide. Few motorcycles manage to carry such a strong identity while still evolving with modern needs. Secondly, it's the improved refinement. The reduction of vibrations and smoother engine response make it far more enjoyable than older models. Thirdly, Royal Enfield has made sure the bike isn't just about nostalgia, but also about usability, thanks to features like navigation support, ABS, and better efficiency. Lastly, the accessibility of the 350 is unmatched. It is easy to ride, economical to maintain, and carries a heritage badge that riders are proud to own. The 2026 Royal Enfield 350 is not about outright performance or cutting-edge technology. Instead, it's about delivering an emotional riding experience, one that connects the rider to the machine and to the road. It's a motorcycle that appeals to both first-time buyers and seasoned enthusiasts, offering a slice of classic motorcycling in a modern, refined package. For those who want a bike that looks timeless, feels solid, and delivers dependable performance at an accessible price point, the new 350 is perhaps one of the best options out there. If you're looking for a motorcycle that embodies tradition without being stuck in the past, the 2026 Royal Enfield 350 is well worth considering. It's more refined, better equipped, and yet still unmistakably a Royal Enfield. And that, in many ways, is exactly what riders have been asking for.